Welcome to Bowling Green, Kentucky, your home for business development. South Central Kentucky is centrally located, with Bowling Green as the epicenter of a 34-state distribution area and is an I-65 intersect region from Indianapolis to Nashville. On the ground, Bowling Green and South Central Kentucky are a vital link in the CSX rail system, along with intermodal connections to 7 major North American railroads via the R.J. Corman Railroad. The Warren County Regional Airport provides commuter and private jet service to South Central Kentucky, with easy in and out access for your business travel needs. For your logistical requirements, we're located just a few hours from the Nashville International Airport and the UPS Worldwide Hub in Louisville. Bowling Green is the ideal location for domestic and international shipping. Bowling Green means business. South Central Kentucky schools are among the best in the nation, boasting some of the highest graduation rates. We believe that growth from within creates growth for the future. Initiatives like SCK Launch, a talent development partnership between the Chamber of Commerce, the school system, and local businesses, helps develop students for careers through the Career Drive Education Program. Our post-secondary technical schools provide practical training and academic education tailored to industry demands. As a result, South Central Kentucky has a highly trained and versatile workforce. Our workforce means opportunity for you. We're home to large international and domestic businesses which boast over 26,000 advanced manufacturing jobs. Kentucky Transpark, South Central Kentucky Industrial Park, and Kentucky Transpark 2 are ready for you to tap into your potential. With the additional 300 acres acquired during the Transpark 2 expansion, we are ready to service your business with over 15 megawatts of available electric, 12 million gallons excess sewer, 5 million excess water, and some of the lowest cost gas services in the country. We have room for you and your business to grow. Our infrastructure throughout our industrial park is prime for manufacturing, production, and warehousing. Just ask one of our 36 existing businesses in our parks. Bowling Green is affordable for business. We rank among the top 7% of metros for overall lowest cost of doing business. Experience Bowling Green and you'll succumb to our unique brand of friendly Southern living. Bowling Green is a progressive, modern city with first-class medical facilities, cultural attractions like the National Corvette Museum or Lost River Cave. Abundant housing is close to outdoor activity such as golf, hiking, and biking trails. We also have the Riverwalk, or you could venture out a backroads getaway in the home of famous Kentucky racehorses. Our vibrant downtown is a perfect blend of businesses and unique dining, shopping, and the retail amenities spiced with small town charm. Come join us in South Central Kentucky, one of the fastest growing economic centers in the country, where we're central for business and southern for living.